My leeks are growing well, I think. What should I do to get them to fully mature with thick stalks? I thought about using hay to shade them. Will this work? When should I expect them to be ready for harvest? And this is Brian from Powell, Tennessee. So, if you know anything about leeks, leeks are
no, I do not.
related, to onions. I actually know some folks, who grow leeks.
Oh, good. I'm going to let you
Shelby
curious.
County Community Gardens.
I'm going to let you curious on this leek situation.
So, the thing about the leeks is going to be this. I answered the last question first, right? So we're looking at about 100 to 120 days to full maturity.
Okay, that's a long time that you got to be watching these leeks grow.
That's a long time. So this is what one of those gardeners told me, and I listen to these seasoned gardeners who've been around for a while, right? So he uses transplants, okay? So when he plants them in the ground, he plants half of the leeks in the ground, half of the leek transplants in the ground. So you have half in the ground, half up top.
Okay.
As it starts to grow, guess what he does? He uses the soil to heal up that area around the leeks.
Okay.
Right, which allows, for more growth and also for blanching, right? Blanching is good, for nutrition.
That helps turn it white?
Helps to turn it white.
Okay.
So that's what it's for, right? So this is what, a couple of those gardeners like to do. And it seems to work.
Seems to work.
It seems to work.
So it sounds like his thought about maybe using hay.
So using hay
could work to help blanch.
I think it could work.
Okay.
Right? But you're going to be doing some healing up, the soil up against the leeks themselves, right?
And which
allows for better growth.
When you said the season was so long, so 120 days, and then he was concerned about them not getting really thick stalks. Yeah. Maybe they're just not mature enough.
Maybe they're not mature enough
to have those.
Maybe they're not mature enough. I mean, that's something to think about, right? Because again, you got to be patient, and I'm sure they probably have some, varieties that are probably early. You probably 60, 80 days or something like that. But for the most part, the ones that I know that grow in this area, pretty much 100 to 120 days. Yeah. And these folks have been growing them forever.
Yeah.
Right, but that's the method they use, and it seems to work. But yeah, patience is involved. So you're right, maybe he's just not letting them mature enough.
I'm gonna branch out and try some leeks.
Try some leeks. I bet you had it before and didn't realize you were eating leeks, right? But they are good. All right, so Brian, thank you much for that question. We appreciate that. Yeah, so using the hay we think could work.
Yeah.
Right, but you definitely have to heal up the soil around those leeks, right, for full maturity. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.